And bibili si Hilo guys ng bag para sa kanyang girlfriend. No girlfriend?
My sister.
Your sister. Oh, you're a good brother, huh? Choose the best one. What is his favorite color? White color is good, brother. I think this one also is good. This one is good. This one no stock?
No stock है.
No stock this one? Bibila niya yung kanyang sister ng this one. This one also is good. Bibila ng bag niya yung kapatid. Malaman niya yung kapatid niya. Dalawa kasi sila magkapatid. Panganay siya. Tapos yung kapatid niyang babae. Pangit naman ang mga design ng mga bag na to. No good? No problem, Alwafa. Why you cry?
No cry.
No cry?
Always happy.
Always happy. Same study.
Tamam. Kevin
Jalan ada. No good, huh? Watch. Ready, watch. Shop. Aywa, shop. Mujud, jada. Aywa. Hindi niya nagustuhan yung bag. See, only 15 real shop there. 15 reals. Aywa. Check karo. Also this one, lady watch. Lady watch. Shop. Ada good. 39. Aywa. Perfect. You buy how many pieces? 5 pieces?
Good choice.
Aywa.
Good choice.
39. 39, ha? Bibili siya ng watch. Hindi niya nagustuhan yung bag kanina. Watch na lang ang tinitingnan niya. Yung isang kasama namin naiinip na. Naiinip na yung kasama namin. This one also lady. So, very nice. 17 reals. Ba't mapiraning na? Let's mapiraning. Moth. Karban. What's mapiraning na? All moth na. So, sad. Mungkin one day only was karban. Mapiraning what's? Iyal laro. Syukran. Kelas? Alwafaro? No problem. Entero no problem. Jacket, class, socks, cups, everything. All, no need? Yalla, go downside. Shukran.